We'll look to solve this linear equation, which involves fractional terms. On the left-hand side, we can see we actually have two fractional terms, which are added together, and on the right-hand side we have the number 3. Our approach here is to find the lowest common denominator and make all terms in the equation equivalent. So we have a 5 and a 3 on the left-hand side, so the lowest common denominator there is 15. So we want to rewrite our fractions over 15 like this. So for our first term, x over 5, we'll need to multiply the top and the bottom by 3 to give us the equivalent over 15. So this becomes 3x over 15, and in the same way our 1/3 becomes 5 over 15. Now at this point we need to rewrite the right hand side of the equation also over 15, as this will help us eliminate the fractions in a moment. So the number 3 of course is 3 over 1 like this, so if we multiply top and bottom by 15 we can make it equivalent over 15. So our fraction over here becomes 45 over 15. Now at this point we can add the fractions as we would normally do with fractions. So on the left hand side we'll have 3x plus 5 over 15 equals 45 over 15. Now if we multiply now both sides of the equation by 15, we must do both sides, then we can eliminate at last these fractions. So multiplying the left hand side by 15 will remove that denominator, leaving us with 3x plus 5, and multiplying the right hand side now by 15 will leave us with the 45. We can now solve this linear equation in the normal way, having eliminated the fractions. So we can subtract 5 from both sides to give us 3x equals 40. Now we can divide both sides by 3 to give us x equals 40 over 3, or 40/3. 40/3 is of course an improper fraction. We can write that as a mixed number, so we can say that 40/3 is the same as 13 and 1/3. And therefore that is the answer and the solution to our linear equation.